Madam?
Mr. Fry.
Ready to take the air? Devil's Acre should just be coming alive.
I'm afraid I must cancel our engagement. The lawn is crawling with scandal-hunting journalists, and I simply cannot be seen in the company of someone so...
I'll see them off. You follow along when it's clear.
Yes, yes. Be gentle, won't you? The press are notoriously touchy about any violence to their person.
Ha 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 ha. I'll barely ruffle a hair on their heads.
Shh, Desmond.
Take a step back now.
There's some odd bods in this town.
Neatly done, young man. Dizzy ought to keep you on to deal with the Liberals. Now, a drive is in order, I think.
It's the Prime Minister's wife.
I really must not be seen here, Mr. Fry.
Mrs. Disraeli! Mrs. Disraeli! Any comment on the assassination attempt?
Do be cautious!
Let's go. Doing fine, girl. Steady on. That's the way. That's a good. Who's a good horse? You are. Steady on. Let's go.
Let us avoid these vultures.
That's the way. Doing fine, girl. Keep moving. Whoa there! Walk on, girl.
What a rough place. Give me your arm, Mr. Fry. Let us see what the Devil's Acre has to offer.
Is your dog quite all right?
Oh, Desmond's fine. He's just not over fond of strangers. Or cats.
What's he doing here? Do you see it? Dead mate!
Here, give the buggers a right old seal.
Any last words? Don't let him breathe! Give him a good cleavage!
What a rough place. Give me your arm, Mr. Fry. Let us see what the Devil's Acre has to offer.
Yes, that's the way!
Is your dog quite all right?
Oh, Desmond's fine. He's just not over fond of strangers. Or cats. Desmond, what's got into you? Here, give the buggers a right old seal too. Quiet, Desmond.
Push him, stay on his back! Faster than you! I can take him now! Shit, Briggs! Sir, can you stop a moment? Get your teeth in! Just trying to stop me! There's no way I'll miss it! Finish him off and we'll go for a drink!
Barrier on you declare.
Is it?
What a rough place. Give me your arm, Mr. Fry. Let us see what the Devil's Acre has to offer.
There he goes! Show him what his teeth look like! Yeah!
Yes, that's the way.
Is your dog quite all right?
Oh, Desmond's fine. He's just not over fond of strangers. Or cats.
I see someone! He's right there!
Give them buggers!
Snap the bloody neck!
Desmond, what's happening to you?
I'm on you, mate! Give my regards to the devil! There's a boy! Cut his eyes out!
What a rough place. Give me your arm, Mr. Fry. Let us see what the Devil's Acre has to offer.
Show him what his teeth look like!
Is your dog quite all right?
Oh, Desmond's fine. He's just not over fond of strangers. Or cats.
Heads up! We have an intrusion!
Gracious! I do believe in me. Oh, bravo, Mr. Fry. Wasn't that marvelous, Desmond? Oh, yes, it was.
Ow! Someone!
Stop that truck!
Quiet, Desmond.
We got a visitor!
I believe you'll require your hand for this, Mr. Fry. That was quite the thrill. Shall we see what awaits us deeper in the acre?
Someone take care of him! Here we go again!
Here, give the
I've got a
buggers
shot
a
at
right
him.
old CM2. Did I say that properly?
you cunt! Blimey, he's all even in one piece! My friend's got bigger bollocks than you! Take his head off! Don't pull any punches!
Desmond, what's got into you? Oh, Rob, no, Mr. Fry. Wasn't that lovely? What a rough place. Give me your arm, Mr. Fry. Let us see what the Devil's Acre has to offer.
There he goes.
Is your dog quite all right?
Oh, Desmond's fine. He's just not over fond of strangers. Or cats.
Charming dog. Thought we were trying to avoid attention.
Do you know this gentleman is a... Oh, what was it? Yes, a costermonger. Of all things. Remarkable how the working classes occupy themselves, isn't it?
Very industrious, I'm sure. Shall we go?
I thought that was the Eucharist.
I'm so sorry. I have no earthly idea what you're talking about.
Mrs. Disraeli.
I have had enough! Time to kill you!
That was quite the thrill. Shall we see what awaits us deeper in the acre?
Dear God! Someone's been slain! Come quickly!
Oh, Mr. Fry, look at those two.
Yes, they seem to be,
I've been married twice, Mr. Fry. I'm fully aware of what they're doing. God bless them.
Some bloke's trespassing!
What's on from you? No, you've been in love.
A remarkable form, Mr. Fry. I imagine you're the terror of London's underworld. Now let us continue.
This old city's gone mad as that is. Bloody ridiculous what people think is fair and decent behaviour. Sure, look.
What sort of meat is that man selling?
best not to ask.
Why? Is it something dreadful? Is it rat?
I don't mean to be indelicate given the present company, but another name for it is bow wow mutton. Here we are, the old one-ton.
So this is a pint, is it? Remarkable.
Nice doggy.
Good boy, Desmond. Hand over the mutt.
You'll change your tune when me and my friends find you.
Now then, Desmond, to get you back to your mistress, whom I've just left entirely unattended in one of London's most dangerous pubs.
Well, if you never told your father how you felt about him, how was he supposed to know?
I never thought of it that way. I suppose deep down we all just want to be loved.
Just so. Here, have a sweetie. Oh, Desmond and Mr. Fry, I'd like you to meet... Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name.
John the Tosser.
Charmed. I think we better get you home.
Right you are, Mr. Fry. Come along, Desmond.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the dog walker.
Now, let's not do something we'll regret.
He's in my sights!
Snap his bloody neck!
Finish him off! Come on, go!
He's getting away! Shit. Shoot it now! Kill you! Feed you to the pigs! Get her! Give me my sights!
Where you'll find games come to
I'll gut you now, Shoot it now! I'll smash your face in! Stop that man! I see him! I'm taking
That's a girl.
I'll slice you open! Point to say you're gone! I'm on you!
a good horse. You are.
Well, I must thank you for a most energetic and enlightening evening, Mr. Fry.
No, thank you. Perhaps now you might tell me about the man in the hussar's uniform.
Quite right. Lord Cardigan is the gentleman you seek. Tiresome. Always blathering on about his military adventures.
Do you know where I might find him for a private conversation?
I do indeed. He's in town now, as it happens, campaigning against the corrupt practices bill. Perhaps you could catch him in the Palace of Westminster. Do be careful. The government could ill afford another scandal.
I assure you, I'll be very discreet.
Doing fine, girl. That's the way.
Your stop, madam.
My stop. How delightful. Thank you. Thank you for a splendid evening, Mr. Fry. I shall be sure to speak highly of you to Dizzy. Oh, yes.
It's complicated.
You're wasting my time.
Give him a good training.
I'm coming to deal with you.
Deal with that.
Look, will you just run along now? You want a piece of me? You're gonna be so sorry. What do we have here? Come on. Shouldn't be.
What's this nonsense about needing a password to see Lord Cardigan today?
Relax. I've got it in my pocket.
Look sharp, men. Allow no one past unless I authorize them. Cardigan has gone too far this time. I've a mind to contact Scotland Yard myself.
Come now, gentlemen. I thought us united in opposition against this perfidious law.
throat if you keep that up.
What? Intruder!
Let's get rid of it!
Very bad!
Strange man he is. Let me go. Please, just let me go.
Becoming famous. Thank you! Oh dear! Ready to fire?
I've made a huge mistake! Watch for the rook boy!
Dead! We have
Crazy
visitors!
homeboy is
How dare you! No, Christ! Let's get him out of here! Where did you find it?
United in opposition against this perfidious law. Surely such upstanding
Password.
sentinels of Britannia are not wavering in
Baby
their
apple.
duties.
Piss off.
Israeli supporters are rallying. Wait, assassination attempt on the Cardigan. Someone's here!
You can run, boy, but you can't hide.
Watch for the rook boy!
You're a slick little pest.
Coward! Villain! Alas, that the hero of Balaclava should fall not on the gloried fields of Crimea, but to an assassin's blade in the very halls of power.
Are you finished yet?
Take your bow, knave, for you have managed what no Russian battery, what no Indian tiger could achieve. Claim your trophy, and may you choke on it.
Yes, but do tell me more about Balaclava.
Farewell. Farewell, dear Britannia. Your dawn shall be dimmer that the Earl of Cardigan sees it not. God save the Queen and the 11th Hussars.
What a prick.
You okay?
Apart from the death squad on our tail, apart from that.
Backup's on the way. Why are you pushing yourself so hard? It's not your job to fight Templars.
I had this colleague. He was our boss's son. I didn't much care for him at the start. Everyone treated him like he was so bloody special. To me, he just wasn't invested in anything that didn't affect him personally. But I was wrong about him. He became my friend, put himself through hell, and he saved us all in the end. So I reckon, well, I can't apologize to him, but I can try and live up to his example.
You are a good assassin.
Holy jeez!
Hello. It has been too long.
Galena! Blimey, I have not seen you since we blew up that lab in Paris.
There were many explosions and you screamed like a baby. Bishop tells me Otzoberg is here. I will kill him for you.
Super. Great news. Now, if you wouldn't mind keeping watch, I am going to lie down and die now.
Rest. We have a big fight coming.
Sean and Rebecca are safe for now, but we're still relying on you to find us that shroud.